Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Oil prices settled down more than 2% to end last week, as investors fretted about weaker Chinese demand and a potential slowing in the pace of US Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. China's oil refiners in October processed 4.6% less crude than a year earlier. Nvidia's results in the coming week could guide the US stock market on its next path, as investors turned their focus to the technology sector and AI trade after an election-fueled rally. A nearly 800% run in shares of Nvidia over the past 2 years has propelled the company to the world's top spot by market value. India's Tata Electronics has agreed to buy a majority stake in Taiwanese contract manufacturer Pegatron's only iPhone plant in India, forming a new joint venture that strengthens Tata's position as an Apple supplier.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
In the days to come, a lineup of significant economic data releases is set to unfold. With its high-impact reports leading the way, it's important for investors and traders to monitor these announcements to anticipate potential market movements and volatility. As we move through this week, these economic updates will be closely watched. Make sure to stay informed and ready to adapt to any shifts in market trends.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.